Do you also feel restless, sad mood, headache, overthinking, hopeless, thoughts of suicide, sleep disturbances, lack of patience, constant worrying about things, thinking negatively? If yes, you are obsessed with anxiety, and anxiety has a complicated relationship with the immune system. And unfortunately, too much anxiety is actually going to weaken your immune system. Here are some natural methods that you need to practice in your daily routine for overcoming your anxiety level and boost your immunity as well. So, the first one we are talking about drinking enough water. Water has miraculous benefits. It is a natural immune system booster. It not only hydrates your body, its added hydration during time of stress often benefits. Panic attacks are a common result of high anxiety caused by dehydration. It has a great role in body detoxification, which prevents toxin from building up and having negative impact on your immune system, which prevents premature aging, enhances blood circulation and promote a healthy nervous system. You can also add lemon to it, which is a great source of vitamin C and known to boost the immune system. Second one is having adequate sleep. As insomnia is a common symptom of anxiety which does not let you sleep, so make sleep your priority by not using phones and such devices in bed because getting 7 to 8 hours of sleep at night will help you keep your immune system protected from other health issues including heart diseases, diabetes, obesity. Morning and afternoon naps, but no longer than 30 minutes, also helps decrease stress. Good sleep works in a way that boosts the T cells in your body that fights off infection and by enhancing the ability of T cells to adhere and to destroy cells infected by viruses and other pathogens. Third one is the doing physical workout. Regular exercise works to ease anxiety. As little as 5 to 10 minutes of aerobic exercise can help to improve your mood and reduce your anxiety. You can manage your anxiety by running, dancing, swimming, biking. Physical activities help flush bacteria out of the lungs and airways, which may reduce your chance of getting ill. And also, exercise slows down the release of stress hormone. Number fourth is deep breathing exercises. As fast breathing is common with anxiety, you should practice the deliberate process of taking slow and even deep breaths, which is going to help you restore normal breathing pattern and reduce anxiety. By breathing slower and more deeply from your stomach, you signal your nervous system to calm down. Practicing this under open sky and greenery around you can clear the head, calm your nerves, lower your blood pressure, and help with concentration. It reduces depression and lifts your mood. Number 5, massage therapy for anxiety. It can act to cleanse the impurities of body. It helps break down built up toxins or waste in muscles, which is a plus point to our immune system, and it often has a calming effect on anxious patients. It helps elevate the symptoms of anxiety, including muscle tension and sleep disturbances. The muscles of head, shoulder, neck, and even the back become very relaxed and loose during head massage, which alleviates the feeling of depression and anxiety. Number 6, you can also practice aromatherapy, which is the inhaling of scents of essential oil to improve your well being. It is often used as a natural remedy to relieve anxiety and stress and help boost your mood and sleep better. Now, I am going to tell you about the things you should avoid. Number 1, no to smoking. Instead of helping people to relax, smoking actually increases anxiety and tension. Nicotine, which is present in cigarettes, create an immediate sense of relaxation, so people smoke in the belief that it reduces stress and anxiety. This feeling of relaxation is temporary and soon gives way to withdrawal symptoms. Smoking always have a negative impact on mental health. Moreover, it causes addiction, which consequently ends up with very painful withdrawal symptoms. It leads to stress, anxiety, depression, schizophrenia, etc. Number 2. No to drugs. Drugs such as caffeine, cannabis, inhalant, amphetamine, cocaine, and many other drugs may induce anxiety. So, better always be a step back from them and do a bit research before using any kind of medication. Number third, no to alcohol. Alcohol can actually worsen anxiety by changing the level of serotonin and other neurotransmitter in the brain. In fact, you may feel more anxious after the alcohol wears off, will lead you to face headache, dizziness, nausea, dehydration, and low blood glucose. Aside from all these, some anxiety is a byproduct of living in an often confused world. Anxiety is not at all bad, though it makes you aware of danger, motivates you to stay organized and prepared, and helps you calculate risk.